What's going on, guys? Obviously you know who it is. Basically, I just want to make this quick video. It's kind of a rant video, as you can see, but basically what I wanted to rant about is people using the excuse, like, because they were such a hoe, just kidding, but they're using the excuse like, oh well, I was drunk. I don't care. When you're, I'm mad. When you are drunk, I don't care how drunk you are. If you were just one drink, okay, 30 drinks, can't walk, can't stand up, your friends have to carry you, you're throwing up off a back porch. I don't care how drunk, what level of drunk you are. That is, you cannot use that as an excuse to excuse some sort of stupid action. You slept with some bitch because you're drunk, you cheated on your girl because you're drunk. No excuse. Basically, when you're drunk, you know right from wrong. You just don't care what's right or wrong. That's the only difference between being drunk and being sober. When you're sober, you have a little bit more thought process as to, well, that's wrong, I shouldn't do that. When you're drunk, you're like, yeah, that's wrong, but you know, fuck it, I'm gonna do it anyway. So what I'm trying to get at is, I don't care how drunk you are. Don't come at me with the bullshit like, well, I was drunk, I wasn't thinking right. Bullshit. Yes, you were. You just didn't care. You just did not care about what you were doing because you were under the influence of alcohol. I have been to the point where I was so drunk I couldn't stand, I couldn't walk, I was running into walls, throwing up off of my friend's back porch. But you know what? I still knew right from wrong. I knew that it would have been wrong to sleep with my friend who had a girlfriend. I knew that was wrong. And guess what? I didn't do it because I knew it was wrong. Did I want to? Yeah, I wanted to. Because I was drunk and I didn't care, but I still knew in my mind that was wrong. I ain't gonna do it. If I have self-control like that when I'm shit-faced drunk, I know anybody else does too. And if you use the excuse, well, I was drunk, shame on you. You're a liar. You a damn liar. Because I don't care how messed up you are, you know right from wrong. Am I right or am I wrong?